Wayne the RV Inspector here, and today we're going to be talking about RV extended warranties. Should you buy them from a dealer or from a third-party company instead? So what is an extended warranty anyway? Well, all new RVs typically come with some kind of warranty with them. And these days, across the industry, the standard is generally a 1-year limited bumper-to-bumper type warranty. And then you have a 2 to 3 year structural warranty as well. So what happens after that? What happens after the factory warranty expires? Honestly, you're pretty much on your own at that point to pay for any RV repairs that come up from there forward. So if you want to manage your repair costs, make sure there's not too much that ever comes out of your pocket. Well, then you'll probably need an extended warranty to be able to pay for that. And you can buy an extended warranty from the dealer, but usually you can only buy it at the time of sale. In other words, you can't just get the RV, take it out, use it, and then go, well, I think I want an extended warranty, and come back and get it from them. That's usually not how it works. Or you can buy an extended warranty on the aftermarket from a third-party provider instead. Now, there are pros and there are cons with going with either type of purchase. Let's start with dealers, and let's start with the advantages or pros of buying an extended warranty from them. And the big advantage here is it is very convenient. You're just sitting there in the sales office or the finance office, and you're signing papers on the sale of the RV. And then they present you with the idea of having an extended warranty that covers repair costs. So you probably say, well, how much is it going to cost me? And they tell you. Then you decide whether it's affordable or not. And then if you say yes, it's done. That's how simple it is. In fact, it can very often be placed, the cost of it, in the RV loan itself if you're getting a loan. So you may not even have to pay anything at all up front for the extended warranty. Very convenient. The second advantage, there's no need for the insurance company to inspect the RV. It's coming straight from the dealer, so coverage is immediate. Now, not all things are great with buying from dealers, though. Let's talk about the cons. And the number one con is that convenience, because convenience very often comes with a price. And in this case, the cost of an extended warranty is often more, sometimes much more, than aftermarket products instead. The second con, dealers often choose the company that they work with more based on commission that they're going to get paid rather than the reputation of the company for paying out on the warranties. Now, that's understandable because for them, the only time they ever deal with this is at the time of sale. If you have a problem, you don't come back to the dealer. You have to deal with the company itself. So for them, the main thing they focus on is the commission that's going to go in their pocket. The third con is that extended warranties often come in that sales office or finance office along with the sales pitch. And remember, you're going to be dealing with very experienced salespeople in most cases, and you may feel some pressure to go ahead and buy that warranty then. Well, those are the advantages and disadvantages of buying an extended warranty from a dealer. Now, before we move on to the third-party companies, let's make a note here. And that is, these are companies that aren't connected with the RV dealer or with the manufacturer in any way. They are typically in the warranty business, and that is pretty much all they do. So keep that in mind. Now let's talk about the third-party company pros or advantages for buying extended warranties. And the big advantage here is flexibility. You can get lots of different plans, different types of coverage. You have different companies to choose from, and so on. So you're not just locked into one yes or no decision. You can choose what you feel is best for you. The second pro is that you can buy anytime. You can buy the warranty whenever you want. You don't have to feel under pressure. You can think about it for as long as you want. In fact, you can insure used RVs at any point with an extended warranty third-party provider as long as it's within a certain age. The third pro we want to talk about is usually, and this is the big one, the same coverage you would get on that third-party plan when compared with the dealer plan. It's usually going to be much less than the dealer, and that's very nice to save money. Now, let's talk about some of the cons with a third-party provider. And the first one is it's not just going to be a yes or no answer. It takes time to think about and research the types of plans they're going to offer you, what you feel is best for you, which company you want to go with, and so on. So there's more time and more effort on your part to put into it. The second con, you're going to need to vet the company that you work with, because there are third-party plans and companies out there that you really don't want to work with. They're not reputable, and they have caused some of the problems that people have had with extended warranties in the past. So you need to make sure that the company you choose is reliable and trustworthy. And the last con, you aren't going to be able to put the price of the warranty into a loan or something like that. However, in many cases, these companies will allow you to finance the cost of the extended warranty, so you don't necessarily have to come up with the full amount right then. Well, those are the pros and those are the cons of buying from a dealer or buying on the third-party market instead. Let me say this, no matter what plan you choose, I recommend check for repair restrictions in that plan. Know exactly what it's going to take for you to get your RV repaired, because RVs can be taken almost anywhere and they can break almost anywhere, and you need to be able to get them repaired quickly and reliably. So you need flexibility in the repairs. And along that line, I personally think you need to check and make sure that the plan allows you to use certified RV mobile techs to do the work. These days, RV facilities, honestly, many of them are backed up. It takes you a long time to get the work done, and in many cases, it's still not done right. But when it's a certified RV mobile tech, then in many cases, you're going to get it done quickly, and it's going to be done by somebody that you can trust. So check and make sure that the plan you choose allows that. Finally, when I'm actually asked, and I am asked this a lot, what broker would I recommend or what company would I recommend for a third-party extended warranty? Well, I usually point to Wholesale Warranties, and there's a reason for that. They have a great reputation among the RVing community in general, and especially among full-time RVers who pretty much know what to buy out there. So I'm going to leave a link to Wholesale Warranties in the description of this video and podcast, and you can go and check it out and see what you think about it. Well, I hope this video helps you decide then where to buy an extended warranty if you feel that it is the best way to go to cover your RV repair costs. And that's it for now. Have safe and happy travels, my friends. Until next time.